Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we are going to be talking about Ripple XRP. Now, what's currently going on with XRP is we have seen this wave 4 that has come down, but we've been wondering, were we within this wave 5 yet? Which it looks like now that we have no certainty yet if we are within a wave 5, and that is due to some more recent volatility that we have seen. I was thinking that we were starting to see that wave 5 in the works, but thinking about it, the impulse was too short anyways. The price had declined real fast within that wave 4. So looks like we're still within possibly that wave 4, or this wave 5 is just taking some time to actually start to take off here. So far from what we've seen as we've come down from this wave 3 is we've seen this price actually do a bit of correcting here. So it's come down within an A wave, it's gone up within a B wave, and so far it's come down within a C wave. Now, of course, there is this possibility though that this could be something different, and we could have already completed this wave 4, and we could just be in the process of seeing a correction within this wave 5 actually starting off. So we can just say that this would be our A wave, this would be our B wave, and then we're within that C wave now at the moment. Now, that possibility could work since this B wave is still not lower than where we would start this A wave, and that could be this possibility, seeing how this could be just more of a sideways move before that wave 5 does take off. Now, I'm calling it a wave 5 because we actually look at how things are correcting here within the price of XRP, and that's looking at how we had come down within 5 waves from around the end of March and how this had worked out within this type of momentum to the downside, and then how now we're seeing this correction happen from where we hit that 52-week low. Then we went up in a wave 1, we come down within a wave 2, and then we look at this retracement that we're using here from the wave 2 to the wave 3. We can see that there was a pretty steep price increase that took the price of XRP from around 31 cents all the way up to around 56 cents. So that was a decent sized impulse that we had seen within that wave 3, and that was a pretty decent sized price drop that we had seen to this wave 4. So it had dropped more than 50% from this level, from the wave 2 completion to the wave 3 completion. So it's safe for me to call it a wave 4, and seeing how it's still lower than where we were at within this point. So as long as this doesn't fall any lower, then that wave 4 would still be complete, and we would be within that wave 5. Now, no certainty exactly where this wave 5 would go. I think that we would see a good amount of resistance within the midpoint from where our wave 2 and our wave 3 was, and that's one possibility, because that was where we were seeing a decent amount of resistance within our wave 3 was at this level here. So at the level of around 60 cents or so. The closer we got to that, there was a pretty good amount of resistance at that price. Now, of course, there's still that possibility that the wave 5 could just go and even retrace where we had started the wave 1 and just do a full retracement from where we're at the end of March, before things really took a turn there in the second quarter. So that's another scenario that could happen. So at least right now, in the short term, I'm still expecting this to be a wave C, and hopefully to see that price of XRP work its way up above that 56 cent price, taking it hopefully within the price of at least 60 cents is where I want to see it go within this wave C, as we're hopefully moving to the upside. Now, from that point, we might be trading sideways for a bit. Of course, we're going to be waiting for some sort of news as far as what happens with the XRP Ripple lawsuit, how that is going to continue to play out. So any sort of news with that is, of course, going to be more bullish news, and hopefully create some more bullish price movements within the price of XRP. So now, as we look at this current resistance that we're seeing, a lot of this is actually due to our moving averages, where we have our 200-day moving average that we recently had fallen below, and we're actually stuck between our 50-day moving average, which is still above our 100-day moving average. So we're between our 50-day moving average and our 200-day moving average. And then at the moment, we have our 20-day moving average that is in the process of coming back down. So how this is all playing out is that's our area of resistance. So at the moment, what we need to see is XRP get above the price of around 48 cents and pump above that 200-day moving average. And that will be how we can go back and then start retracing where we're at within this wave 3, and then hopefully take this up to a price of 60 cents or more from that point. So that's the current update with XRP. I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Do you guys think that we're within that wave 4 still, or do you guys think that we've completed that wave 4 and we're still just in that process of seeing this price go up to that wave 5? I would like to know. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I will see you all in the next video coming right after this. Thank you for watching and listening.